and today marks the beginning of something really big.
Yes.
We are glowing. We are super excited and honored to be the exclusive distributor of Hikari, not only in the UAE, the whole GCC. Together, we are making the strong Filipina brand #1 in this region. Very soon, let's go. We'll do it.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. The history has been made. The contract signing of Hikari Skin Essentials UAE and Glow It. Palakpakan naman po natin, ladies and gentlemen. And please support Hikari Skin Essentials UAE.
Yes.
Guys,
And of
please
course,
follow their social media pages para po malaman po ninyo saan po makakabili ng ating skincare.
Alright, okay.
Thank you so much.
Ayan, palakpakan naman once again, Hikari Skin Essentials and Glow It! Shikari, ha?
Thank you so much.
See you tomorrow at Love Generation.
Yes,
Concert.
magkita kita tayo tomorrow sa Love Generation Concert.
Ayan na!
Eto na! Totoo na to!
Ba kayo?
Totoo na to!
Totoo na talaga
May
po.
energy ba tayo?
Yes!
Ano
Handa
pa?
na ba kayong makita ang ating artista?
Eto na!
Yes, pero bago ang lahat, we will be entertained first by one of UAE's Filipinos' finest singer, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan, so welcome everybody sa DSF Alriga Night Market. I think they are ready.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, once again, papasok na talaga sila sa DSF Alriga
Eto
Night
na yun.
Market.
Totoo
And
na
for
to.
the last time, huwag po kayo mag-atubiling bumili ng ating Love Generation concert that would be happening tomorrow.
Bukas na yan ha. Sa World Trade Center, huwag kayong mawawala dahil tomorrow na po ang concert nila Michael Pangilinan, Julia San Jose, and Marco Rujo.
Ayun,
Ayan,
maraming
eto
maraming salamat once and then of course, kasama din ang You The Ones dyan. Ayun.
Nakakatuwa naman. Sobrang daming Pilipino nag-aantay talaga sa atin, no? Sa ating mga artists ngayon. Si
Brenda,
Michael
nakabili ka na ba ng ticket
Oo
ng buong
naman.
pamilya mo?
Yes, kasama ko yung mga tropa ko. Magsama-sama kami kasi mawala kaming jowa.
Ay?
Oo.
Oo.
Para talaga, pag wala kayong jowa, doon na lang kayo pumunta. Kikiligin kayo doon.
Tapos haharanahan ka pa ni Michael Pangilinan.
Yes. Oy, Michael Pangilinan yan,
Ayun.
ha? Ang
Harana
haranap.
King yan. It's
Yes.
an honor to... Alright!
Eto na.
Handa po ba kayo?
We have the go signal!
Yes!
Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let us now welcome our love